Hi there, I'm going to show you how to set the back button focus on your Canon camera. This is a basic entry-level Canon camera. When it comes from the factory, the shutter button here is what's used to focus. You just depress it halfway and it will focus, and then to take the shot, you press it all the way down. Today we're going to change our focusing to the back button focus, which will be this button with the asterisk. And the reason we want to do this is because back button focusing allows us to get sharper images, and it also allows us to hold focus while we recompose a scene. Instead of having to hold the shutter button down halfway while we're recomposing, we can just focus and then recompose. So to set the back button focus on this camera, you're going to want to go into your menu, and you want to go to the wrench that has three dots, or the third wrench, which is the custom functions menu. To get into that menu, you're going to hit set, and then you're going to go scroll through and get to custom function setting 9, which is your shutter AE lock button, and you're going to hit set, and then you're going to go down to option 1, which is AE lock, and that's going to make the asterisk button over here a back button focus button. So we're just going to hit set, and then we're going to go back, and now you notice that when I press the shutter button, you don't hear the lens trying to focus, but when I press the asterisk button, you're going to hear the lens try to focus. And then all I need to do is to press the shutter button to take the photo. So there it is. That's how you set back button focus on a Canon camera. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.